Hi, good day everyone. So for this second grading period, our first discussion is all about the preparation of vegetables. On the first grading, we're done discussing about the eggs and cereals and starches. So for now, we will discuss the vegetables. Okay, how are we going to prepare the vegetable, okay, when we're going to eat it? First, let us define what is vegetable. Vegetables are important source of many nutrients that provide health benefits. So vegetables, that as we all know, it is very nutritious, that help us to fight illnesses. Ayan, no? These are essential part of a healthy diet, serve as a maintenance to our body and protect us against various illnesses. So, just like what I've said, it is very nutritious. It has health benefits that can be our shield against sicknesses and illnesses. Vegetables are plants or part of plants like leaves, fruits, tubers, roots, bulbs, stems, shoots, and flowers used in a dish either raw or cooked. So those are parts of the plants or just came from plants, and we can eat it raw or cooked. When we say raw, hindi luto. Cooked, syempre, luto. Merong mga vegetables na kailangan mo nang lutuin bago makain. Meron mga vegetables na kahit hindi mo lutuin, pwede mong kainin. Vegetables must be prepared properly before it may contain harmful bacteria that can spread easily by touching. So, we need to prepare our vegetable. We need to clean it before we will eat these things. Bakit? Para hindi pumasok sa ating katawan ang mga harmful bacteria. Different tools and equipments are also needed as it serves as an aid in making vegetable preparation more easily and efficiently. When we use appropriate tools and equipments in everything that we do, it makes our task easier. Diba? Ganun din sa pagpe-prepare ng vegetables. So, in preparing raw vegetables that can be eaten as raw or cooked food, there are three preparations which are very essential. The first one, washing, the second one is soaking, and the third one is peeling and cutting. Those are the things that we do when we prepare vegetables. Nuhugasan, binababad, at tinatanggalan ng balat at hinihiwa. 'Di ba? Ganun yun. So the first one, we will discuss about washing. What is washing? It is the method of cleaning with the use of water. We never use soap when we clean the vegetables. Next one, it helps to remove any unwanted residues from the surface of the vegetables. So, yung mga ayaw natin, no? Yung mga dumi-dumi, natatanggal dahil sa tubig. It is also a good habit to practice minimizing ingestion of potentially harmful residues and germs. So, tayo, ayaw naman natin na Siyempre, ito ay plants, merong mga lupa-lupa, 'di ba? At sa lupa, hindi natin alam kung ano meron doon. Merong mga insekto, merong mga pesticide na nandiyan yan. So, we need to wash it thoroughly, no? And to remove the harmful residues and the germs into the vegetables. Ayaw mo naman sigurong makain yung mga yon. How to wash the vegetables? Kagaya sinabi ko, wash all the vegetables thoroughly. Malinis, yung maayos talaga. Scrub well unpeeled vegetables like potatoes for baking. So, scrub. We need to scrub the vegetables if we need it. Lalo na kung hindi mo naman tatanggalin ng balat. Just like today, there is a very famous side dish sa Korean na marbles, no? Potato marbles. And when we cook potato marbles, those small pieces of potatoes, we never remove the outer covering or the skin of it. So all we need to do is to scrub it. Some of the or most of the people that I saw preparing this food, they use toothbrush to scrub the small potato or the marble potatoes para hindi po natin makain yung lupa kasi ang mga potato ay nanggaling sa ilalim ng lupa, 'di ba? Because nandoon sila sa ilalim, ganun sila tinatanim. Tumutubo pala. Then, the third one is wash green leafy vegetable in several changes of cold water. So, and this one, if we were going to wash the leafy vegetable, isa-isahin mo kasi hindi mo alam, baka mamaya may uod pala, no? Dun sa nakatupi na dahon. And ayaw naman natin na masama iyon sa ating pagkain. After washing, drain well and refrigerate lightly covered to prevent dragging. So, after we wash, we will drain it and then we will put it inside our ref for us to attain the freshness of the vegetable para hindi siya mag-dry. Hindi ito mag-dry. Tao siya. Next one is soaking. Soaking means that the vegetable absorbs some liquid. We need to soak the vegetable to regain the hydration that it needs. So, hindi naman sobra-sobra ha. Wag naman yung sobrang tagal mo silang isinok sa water. Next one, vegetables and fresh fruits are soaked in water to help to revive them. Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina. And make more palatable or boost its flavor. But some, hindi lahat, pwedeng maibabad ng matagal. It may dilute the flavor of the vegetable. So, tansyahin natin kung ano o hanggang kailan yung kaya ng pagbababad ng vegetable. But most of the time, after we cut the vegetable, after we peel the vegetable, we soak it in an ample time, then we already cooked it ahead of time. Next one, how to soak the vegetable. Do not soak vegetables in a long periods to prevent flavor and nutritious loss. Ayaw naman siguro natin matanggal ang nutritive value ng mga vegetable na ating kakainin. Next, number 2, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower may be soaked for 30 minutes in cold salted water to eliminate insects. So, we need to soak it pala for 30 minutes and add some salt, no? In a cold water para matanggal ang insect. 'Di ba ang broccoli and cauliflower para sila mga puno, 'di ba? Hindi mo yung maiisa-isa. So, ang maganda pala inilalagay siya sa malamig na may salt na water, isosoak mo siya for 30 minutes. Then, the third one, the limped vegetables can be soaked briefly in cold water to restore crispness. So, yung mga leafy vegetable, yung mga madadaling malanta na mga vegetables, ang gusto natin ay isusok mo siya sa cold water para hindi naman siya lantang kakainin mo. 'Di ba? Yan. Next. After we wash, we soak. Now, we will going to peel and cut our vegetables. It is a two different way of preparing vegetable. Cutting and peeling are two different ways. What is the difference between the two? When we say peeling, it is to remove or separate a thin covering or part from the outside or surface of something. So, when we say peeling, we just remove the thin covering outer part or the skin of the vegetable, while the cutting is to remove from something larger by using a sharpened implement or tool. When we say cutting, we just cut the vegetable, but we never remove the outer covering. When we say we remove the outer covering or the skin of the vegetable, it is already peeling. Kapag binalatan, peeling. Kapag hinihiwa lang, ito ay cutting. Makikita mo yan dyan. Yung carrot, binabalatan, peeling. Yung red, ito ay cutting. How to cut and peel the vegetables? Number 1, peel vegetables as thinly as possible. Bakit thin? Bakit kailangan kapag binalatan mo sobrang nipis? Dahil kung ito ay makapal, wala ka nang kakainin. 'Di ba ha? Lahat nandudun na sa balat. Itatapon na iyon. Next, number 2, cut vegetable into uniform pieces or for even cooking. We need to cut it uniformly. Hindi dahil maganda lang sa mata, but because para sabay-sabay silang maluto. Walang overcook, walang half-cook. Sabay-sabay na maluluto at tama yung pagkakaluto nila. 'Di ba? Kasi kapag makapal yung iba, mas matagal yung maluluto compared sa ibang maninipes. 'Di ba kapag nilagay natin ang vegetables sa ating niluluto, sabay-sabay naman sila. Kunyari, pare-parehong carrots, hindi mo naman iisa-isahin yung, ay, makapal tong carrots, mamaya na to. Or una na to. Tapos yung manipis, mamaya na lang. Hindi naman ganun, di ba? Sabay-sabay natin silang inihuhulog sa ating lutuin. Number 3, treat vegetable that brown easily with acid. So, yung mga alam natin na madaling nagba-brown tulad ng patatas, 'di ba? Sinusoak natin to sa water. So those vegetables that are easily browned, we will not peel it ahead of time. We will just peel it yung sakto lang sa oras na ilalagay mo na siya. Para hindi naman color brown yung ating mga ilalagay na vegetable. So, tapos na tayo mag-prepare, no? Paano ba natin pipiliin ang magandang vegetable? Factors to consider in choosing good quality vegetables. To kapag nasa palengke, 'di ba? Si nanay namimili pa, hindi yung sa tumpok-tumpok lang. Bakit? Kasi para mas maganda yung vegetable na inyong makakain. Number 1, freshness. Fresh vegetables should be crisp and bright in colors. 'Di ba? Masarap yung vegetable na manamis-namis tapos medyo malutong-lutong. At alam mong fresh na fresh ang vegetable. Number 2, absence of decay or insect infestation. Ayaw mo naman sigurong kumain ng vegetable na merong insekto o may uod dun sa loob niya. Tapos yung leafy vegetable, butas-butas. Parang ang pangit naman kainin, no? Alam mo na nandun nanggagaling yung mga insect, tapos makakain mo at papasok sa tiyan mo. Ew! Next, number 3, no mechanical damage or injury. Yung mga pasa-pasa, 'di ba? So, hindi natin iyon gusto sa ating kakainin because we need or we are choosing the fresh vegetables. Number 4, right degree of maturity, variety in color, shape, texture, and sometimes flavor. Meron kasing mga ripe vegetable o yung overripe na hindi na magandang kainin. At hindi talaga magandang kainin. Meron naman mga vegetable din na hindi rin magandang kainin kapag hindi pa naman siya tawag nito, hinog na hinog. So, dapat dun tayo sa tamang-tama lang. Parang sinasabi nila na, ngayong araw na ba to ay okay na ba yung kainin? So, ganun po dapat. On that day, dun mo rin siya lulutuin. Or, kumuha ka, mamalengke ka, nung hindi pa masyadong, hindi pa masyadong ripe, kung sa susunod na araw mo pa siya kakainin. So, it is all about vegetables and thank you for watching. It is the first part of our discussion. I hope you learned something today. Bye. Thank you very much. Have a great day.